My mask, gloves, soap, scrubs, mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my fantastic room. Not so fantastic. Today I'm going to clean up my table and show you some of the best and worst products that I've collected over the past few months and probably maybe a year or so since I've been doing videos. So come join me and hopefully clean up my table here. Like, it's a disaster zone. It's my office. This is where I put everything pretty much. I have a collection here of like all kinds of different things and I really want to go through it, you know, work on getting this stuff organized and maybe getting rid of some like things I don't want. So let's just jump into this and clean up what we can, I guess. It's a different day and there's more things on my table to clean up. It's just a disaster zone. I'm going to go in with my favorite cleaner, which is Mrs. Meyer's, the lemon verbena scent. Amazing stuff. I have some more if I run out. And I have my handy dandy paper towel. Literally, I moved the angle of the camera and everything, and an avalanche fell off my table. Like, I can't do anything on this table. There's literally no room for anything. This is like one of my favorite scrubs ever, is the Ives Scrub. Oh my gosh, they're amazing and they're so affordable and they actually get the job done and they actually exfoliate and do everything that they say. I have some in the bathroom already. I have the blackhead one, I have the oatmeal one, and I have this one, and they're just so great. Really recommend these ones. I have some samples here on my table from the VDL Looma Layer Primer. The primer is really good at holding on to the foundation all day wear, but it leaves like a holographic glow to your skin. So I'm not really a big fan of that, but it is worth it if you're in the market for a really good primer. It's $32 from Avon. I have samples, so check me out. This was like a really good product. I don't know why I haven't used it recently. Like, it's still full from like the last time I did the Ipsy video. Like, it just got pushed into the back burner somehow, but it was really good when I tried it. It didn't weigh my hair down at all. It was just smooth and just really nice feeling. It's supposed to be for heat protection and color protection, which I need, which is like right up my alley. So maybe I'll be using this. This, the Nightmare on Elm Street mask. Haley and I reviewed it for Halloween on my channel. Like, it's on the channel somewhere. And it was a pretty good mask, but it did get into your eyes and your mouth a lot. Like, it really bubbled up so much. And I guess this one is a new one. It doesn't seem to be open, so I guess you'll know what we're doing for Halloween, because I ain't going out and buying more Halloween stuff. It's just not happening. So we'll probably work this one into another video somehow. I don't know. It's pretty good, like, for a novelty mask, but for like your everyday skincare mask, it's like, well, not too good. I do have like some Body Bean coffee scrub and it's amazing. It was only $3.50 on clearance at Walmart. Good thing I got this stuff because it's amazing for like energizing you and, you know, bringing out like some vitality into your life and like just giving you a nice burst of energy. And it actually does clean away all the nastiness and all the ickies from like the day. So really good at like just exfoliating and giving you a boost. And it's a coconut scent, so there's like a whole bunch of tropical vibes. Really enjoyed that one. Time to go in with the Mrs. Meyer's and spray some of this table off. Getting into some more products here. I have the Maui Moisture Volcanic Ash Detoxifying Mask, and it's really beautiful and nice. Really good detoxifying hair mask. I really like it, and the scent is so great. Smells like tropics. Like, I just want to go on a Hawaiian vacation and bring this along with me. I have some more Avon products. I'm an Avon whore at this point because of me selling Avon, but like, yeah, I'm an essential Avon whore. I have a new Hydrofusion Serum. I thought it was a moisturizer, but it wasn't. It's more serum. It smells so clean and fresh. I love it. It's brand new, but I'm using the vitamin C brightening serum right now, and this one is amazing too. Like, it's very great for your skin, and it doesn't break out your skin either. It's great for adding a little bit of hydration and vitamins to your skin without drying it out. It like brings life to your skin. I have a pore glow mask. I don't even remember how this one was, but I guess I should use it at some point because there's like barely anything left in it. I have some chapstick here that I love. It's amazing. From Henele Lip Balm. I absolutely love the vitamin C warming peel. It's amazing. Deep exfoliation with a nice hint of warming sensation. It gets the job done. Love the collection. And they have some new products out now. There's a vitamin C facial primer, and they have a brightening eye cream that I'm dying to try. Like, I missed out on the demo, but I missed out on the sale, but I'm still getting it whenever I can, because you know what? When I can, I'm gonna get it. And I'm going to review it too for the channel. Not your mother's clean freak. Clean, she's a super freak. Super freak, she's super freaky, yeah. The dry shampoo, I love it. That's what I think about every time I use this stuff. I don't know. I'm a weirdo, leave me alone. I'm absolutely in love with the Pure Brazilian Anti-Frizz Daily Serum. This is $30 on the website, but you know what? I love this. I cannot preach about how much this stuff works. It works for your scalp at protecting your scalp from the sun and just making your hair feel so soft and flawless, like your Farrah Fawcett at the beach going like Baywatch like this. Like, you just want to do this all day. Like, feel your hair, just wave it around, everything. It's amazing. You don't even need to blow dry your hair for it to work, because that's what I did. My scalp was sunburned. This brought my scalp back to life and minimized the pain on my scalp, and it made my hair just feel so much better in general. Like, it's like Jesus for your hair, so try it. My favorite mask, the doll face little black mask. Amazing stuff. I don't know why I haven't used it recently, but it's amazing. Oh, it smells so good. Whew. Okay, I love it. This is amazing stuff. The Heritage products are absolutely 100% amazing. And if you have a sunburned scalp like mine was, these products will do wonders for your hair because they have all natural ingredients. We have here the hemp products that I adore and love. Jay and Haley noticed that these products actually have helped my hair grow out. I have a lot of junk on my table. Betty Boop eyeliner from Ipsy was like, okay. It was just okay. So was like the Lacombe eyeliner. I thought it was going to be like super amazing. It started out amazing, but like it kind of runs. I don't really care for like these pencil eyeliners. I don't know. And some of these liquid eyeliners are just junk. The Wet n Wild Crystal collection was like kind of underwhelming. It's an okay lip gloss, but like it's just glitter and a gloss. I don't know. It ain't no Jeffree Star, but it smells weird too. I don't know. It smells like plastic. I love the Heritage Magic Dust. This one is amazing, and it doesn't weigh down your hair. Makes your hair feel all floofy and amazing. I like to like just put it in my hands and like kind of go like this with it in a way. Make sure my hands get all the product and go through my hair. I don't like to just dump it anymore. My favorite Tresemme hairspray of all time. Can't recommend this one enough. The hair mask was pretty good. I really like this one a lot. It actually did the job and it did what it's supposed to do, so I actually liked it. It was actually a hair mask for once. Gotta love the Murad sunscreen. I've been using this so much now because it's summertime, and it's amazing. It really does work. My favorite, love the Biotin Hask leave-in thickening spray. I have this lip scrub from Wet n Wild, and I liked it at first, but now it just smells weird and it's just kind of chunky. Like, meh. I don't really care for it that much. Unless I really need to like exfoliate my lips, I don't really use it, obviously. I have like a whole bathroom in my room, I swear. I have the Hello matching toothpaste and mouthwash These are amazing, and they actually really deep clean your mouth. Like, you will feel the clean. I also have the Olay Charcoal Mint Body Wash. I had to buy another one. In my video, the last one, it's pretty much almost gone. So I had to get it, and apparently everyone loves it too because this one was the last one. It actually adds like a nice softness to your skin. It has a great scent, and it doesn't leave your skin greasy like the other Olay products. This one doesn't do that, and it's just flawless. I'm still impressed with the Watermelon Juicy Scrub from Clean and Clear. This one is awesome. Better formula than the lemon one. Gotta love it, and it smells so wonderful. It's my favorite. A cleanser that I'm not a big fan of, but I use it if I haven't washed my face in a few days and I need like hydration because I feel kind of dry. This is the Ulta Beauty Shine Bright Creamy Cleanser with vitamin C, and it's okay. It helps with dry skin, so if you have like really dry skin, maybe it would be the best product for you, but it does not smell good at all. It's just like there. This is just okay too, the Clean and Clear Morning Burst Scrub. Meh. This is really good for like calming your skin. It's from Garnier, the Rose Facial Soothing Mist. This is really good for like calming your skin after like a spa treatment that you're giving yourself if you have like a harsh scrub or mask. This is great for soothing and calming down all that redness and just bringing it back to like your natural skin tone. This was like lackluster, the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Face Mist. I don't even know what the hell it was for. I don't know if it was a setting spray or just a face mist. I don't know, but I did not care for it. We only have like a few more products, I think, and then I'm going to go through my other side of my table because I have like some fabric over there that I need to go through. These two products are like just okay. I'm not really a big fan of them. The Pore Perfection Toning Mist is kind of like a flop. I used a lot of it, but it's like, I don't know, I'm not a big fan. And then the Yes to Grapefruit Sun Moisturizer, I guess, something. These are like not my favorites at all. Leaves your hair kind of greasy. The Garnier Fructis Volumizing products. I have some L'Oreal products here. This is okay, but like it has a very harsh aerosol scent. If you breathe it in, it actually affects your breathing. If you inhale this, yeah, it's not very good for you. And it's the Boost Hydration Spray. I feel like it's not that great. I think some other products are better. I think the Tresemme is better, and the Got to Be Freeze Hold Spray are better than this thing. This stuff is actually pretty okay. I don't know why I haven't been using it. The Blowout Heat Spray. Last but not least, we have the Hask products that I love. They're so amazing, and can't rave about them enough. They're the Biotin Boost products, and they really do work at giving your hair a nice, subtle, volumizing texture and feel, and it really does do the trick. That's my collection of the best and worst products from my table. Thank you so much for joining me on cleaning up my table, and I'm going to show an after picture of what the table looks like after I like dust everything off and put everything back nice and neat. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up. It's really appreciated that you do that. Also, share the video, and while you're here, why not subscribe? It's free by pressing that notification bell. You'll be notified when I post a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. Follow me on all my social media so that way you're in the loop with the newest and latest uploads, as well on with whatever I'm doing in case you're interested. So check me out over there. In the description, I have a lot of new coupon codes and affiliate links for your enjoyment, so that way you can find something special for yourself or another person. It's your choice. A lot of great steals and deals down there. I have my Avon shop available. The link is in the description. Let me be your representative today, and I would be happy to give you a great Avon experience. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye, everyone.